Sir, looking at the history of National Book Trust, what do you think, which are the major achievements of National Book Trust for the years to, pass by?
There are so many achievements if I go one by one, but I feel when you say National Book Trust, the most important word is that national. I'll say that this is not only national, but it's an international body which has a mandate not only in India, but across the world. And we are doing it successfully. Then comes the important word is trust. Trust is symbolically is like NEAS. It's a registered under Societies Act. But I feel I go by the emotions, it's more of credibility. And trust, it has ensured by its quality content. If I say numerically what we have achieved, first part is we have been able to touch almost every corner of the country. We have been able to reach almost all the schools in the hinterland. And more than that, if you see that we are the only institution in the country which has published almost more than 55 languages and dialects, which also include 6 UN languages. So that is the most credible thing I will say. And more than that, we have variety of series. We have content for all age group, all languages, and in all dimensions of writing. So that is a complete package that National Book Trust India has been able to deliver, and today it's a name with credibility, and the content which National Book Trust is taken as a yardstick in the industry.